Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're on Grady-White's 216 Fisherman. Beautiful fishing boat, lots of room for a 21-foot center console. This particular one's powered with a 200 horsepower 4-stroke Yamaha. Starting back in the back of the boat here, you'll notice that you've got jump seats on either side of the back end with a swim platform on the starboard side back there with a 4-step ladder. Goes deep down in the water, easy to get on the boat. You've also got walkthroughs on both sides so that you can get forward and aft on back onto those platforms. That just swings like that and lifts up, swings back. But if you want the seat, all you got to do, take the cushion out, flip it over, and then you've got a great seat there. Nice, comfortable handrest, pop-up cleats, drink holders, everything's right where it's supposed to be. Going forward a little bit, you've got the leaning post here with 4 shotgun rod holders down below, 4 shotgun rod holders up on the T-top. This is a vinyl painted T-top too. The big difference with it between this and powder coating is this will take the abuse of a metal fishing reel getting banged against it, a lure, a sinker, something like that, because it's a lot more flexible than powder coating. Powder coating, if you bang on it and it chips off, then when salt water gets under that, all that powder coating will start to peel off. Really hard to repair too. This vinyl paint, you can just touch it up with some new vinyl paint. It's a real expensive vinyl paint that Grady did a lot of testing with. It's been lasting years and years for. On this side over here, underneath the leaning post, we've got a live well, blue on the interior, rounded corners. That blue color and the rounded corners helps keep your bait alive. Getting up on top of the leaning post here, like all the Grady-Whites, the ergonomics is just great with them. You've always got a nice comfortable footrest to put your feet on. Your steering wheel is always a tilt steering wheel. You've got the speed knob on here too for some quick steering on this. This has got hydraulic steering on this. This has got the trim tabs on it as well. Your stereo's right here. Your compass is dead center on you, so you know exactly the direction you're headed. And then you've got a nice big space to mount a lot of electronics on here. Also, you've got a little electronics box up top. You can hang your VHF radio from up in here, throw your wallet, your car keys, your hat. Nice dome light underneath there to help you if you're early in the morning or going out at night. So you can have a little bit of light coming down inside your console. As we move forward here, you can see that we've got combing pads on either side of the boat. Those are really going to save your day, save your legs after a long day of fishing. Look at how thick those are. Those are really thick. It's really easy on your thighs. So that makes it great if you're going to be bottom fishing for a long day. Again, moving forward, your pop-up cleats, low profile rails, makes it nice for fishing as well. Throwing a cast net off the side, not a high rail that you're going to be snagging lines on. Again, more drink holders. Grady's always got lots of nice stainless steel drink holders all around the boat. Here's a big plus with Grady-White that I like. Their front seating on this, their lounge seating on it, when you don't want to use that, if you just want it open, you don't have to pull these out and find somewhere to store them. You just lift them up and swing them out of the way. Now you can stand up there fishing. There's a fishing platform that you can put in right here. But if you want the nice seating, the cushion comes with it. You put the cushion right down there, swing the seat back in place, and you're ready to go. You do have a designated anchor locker on this boat as well. Some speakers mounted up here in the front. Again, your flush mounted cleats. Beautifully finished off boat. Overbuilt. That's what Grady's all about, is being nicely finished and overbuilt. This 216 Fisherman is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant Drooksma. Give me a call today.